I used to pretend in front of the mirror as if I'm an actor. I used to act, lip sync to different Bollywood songs, and even give interviews, but without any attachment to my desire. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how mirror technique and a strong burning desire of becoming an actor made this dream of mine a reality, even when it was practically impossible, or at least it seemed practically impossible at that time. Before that, I want to tell you that if you want my personal help in your manifestation journey, you can book a one-to-one call with me. The link to that is in the description and also pinned in the comments. And yes, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never ever miss on any of my videos. I belong to a family like many of you out there where studies were everything. I was not even able to learn classical dance, which I so wanted to learn just because I was good in studies, and my father wanted me to give my full attention to studies only. He also believed that if you don't study hard and compete hard with the world outside, you will not be able to achieve anything in life. Now, there is nothing wrong in that because my father only taught me what he learned from his parents and from his life experience. So that belief got passed on to me and I studied hard. But deep down, there was a silent burning desire of becoming an actor. Although I believed that it was practically impossible, but my self-worth was strong. I strongly thought that I was worthy of becoming an actor because I used to love it when I used to practice in front of the mirror. But I did not believe it was possible for two reasons. First, because of my father and his beliefs. And second, because I used to live in Dehradun and there was no scope of becoming an actor in Dehradun at that time. The only thing which kept me happy was my acting sessions in front of the mirror. My younger sister was my only audience till then because she had no other choice. But one thing was for sure, that I used to feel immense joy while practicing being an actor. I had no idea that I was practicing being in the wish fulfilled. At that point of time, I knew nothing about manifesting, nor did I know that imagination creates reality. I just used to imagine and behave like an actor in front of the mirror. Remember talking to myself like, if I get to play even one character in a regional Bengali serial, I will be more than happy. I don't want anything else. I used to say like this to me, I did not know at that time how strong my intention was until I became an actor in Bengali television industry only. It was only later when I learned about manifesting, I realized how many different techniques I practiced to make this dream of mine a reality. First, I did mirror technique. Second, I practiced being in the wish fulfilled. Third, I had a burning desire of becoming an actor. Fourth, my self-concept or self-worth was right in place. And fifth, I was detached to my desire because I was not taking any practical steps to become an actor unless and until the opportunity came right in front of me. I did not even know at that time that speaking in front of the mirror in your wish fulfilled is a technique in itself. And so many great people have written so many books on it. The most important one being Mirror Work by Louise Hay. So the moral of the story is, if you speak in front of the mirror as if you are already the person you want to be, you will become that person and you will get your desire following a very natural sequence of events. In my case, I got to do a very small character in a telefilm of Delhi Doordarshan, and those people came to Dehradun for the shoot, and one of my then friends got me casted in that short film. And when I got appreciated by the directors, I got the confidence that yes, I can act, I have it in me. My self-concept and self-worth got another boost. And then, because of some unavoidable reasons, when my first marriage ended, I came to Kolkata with my parents because my father got transferred to Kolkata at that time. So I thought I anyway need a job, so why not audition for a Bengali television serial, because the Bengali industry is located in Kolkata only. And after that, in some miraculous God-led ways, I became a full-time actor within 6 months from that time. And now when I know about manifesting and I am a conscious manifestor now, I very well understand that how I manifested this desire of mine from my imagination to reality. So to sum it all up, the things I want to convey to you all through this video is: number one, practice mirror technique by speaking to yourself in front of the mirror, looking straight into your eyes as you would want the world to talk with you, or like the person you will become after your wish is fulfilled. You can start with saying things like "I love you" followed by your name. For example, my name is Shampa. I can say "I love you, Shampa." Life loves you, Shampa. Wow, you're so beautiful, Shampa. I love the confidence you have. Wow, your skin is glowing. I love the way you look. I so admire you. You know, whatever you want to manifest in your life, you can say those things to you in the mirror, looking straight into your eyes. And afterwards, when you're comfortable with saying you can shift to I. I am confident. I am magnetic. I love how beautiful I look. Oh my God, I love how abundant my life is. I love how loved I am. I love how much life loves me. I love how much money loves me. Whatever you want to manifest, just say them in front of the mirror, looking straight and deep into your own eyes. I know at first it may seem weird, but I assure you, if you leave every other technique behind and only practice this one technique, you will change your life. You may also read the book Mirror Work by Louise Hay to know how powerful this technique is. Whoever I have given this technique to have got phenomenal results. These are the screenshots of the success story of one of my very first clients. She had this problem of being overweight and she was feeling too much low on her confidence and she thought that she was looking older than her age. I gave this technique to her and she practiced it meticulously. You know, it's not about what techniques I give you guys. It's not about what advice you're getting. It's about, are you following it? Are you practicing it? You will only get results if you practice the techniques. You will not get results by watching video after video after video. Make this point very clear. So she practiced this every day in front of the mirror before going to work. She used to compliment her looks, she used to compliment her skin, she used to compliment her hair, and she used to say all the things she wanted to hear from other people. And boom, she manifested it. Don't wait, just try. Start practicing this technique from today itself. And the second thing I want you all to learn from this video is that whether knowingly or unknowingly, we all are always manifesting. So be very aware of what thoughts you are entertaining and who you are being in your imagination. Always ask yourself, is this what I want to manifest in my reality? If not, I'm not going to think about it. Don't practice being someone in your imagination who you don't want to be, because imagination creates reality. Always practice being that version of yourself which you want to see manifested in your life for real. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss on any of my videos. Lots of love and light to you all till the time we meet again. Bye bye.